Alright, I'm at a service call looking for a double tap in a panel, and I've been searching this house, both floors, trying to find this panel, and I finally found it behind this painting. Picture. And that's what they like to do in these beach houses, is hide these panels because they think they're ugly. There it is. Okay. We're going to be looking for a double tap breaker. I'm going to go ahead and kill the main. Alright, so I'm looking at this panel here. I was called out here to check out double taps that are potentially on the 30 amp water heater breakers. They're already remedied by somebody else, I guess. There's no double taps here. There's no double taps on any of the breakers that I can see. And there's also no double taps on the neutral bar, which would also be a violation back there. We have one wire under each terminal on the neutral bar, so that's good. And then another good thing is all these breakers are Siemens breakers and match the manufacturer of the panel. They are listed and approved for use in this panel. A lot of times people mix match breakers into panels just because they seat in there, but if you use the wrong type of breaker in a panel, it could be seated incorrectly and cause overheating. But that's good. The things I do see, number one, these tandem breakers here are handle tied with number 12 or 14 wire instead of an actual handle tie that's approved for use. That should be remedied. And then another thing is, if you look up here, we got two hots, neutral, and your ground wire coming in. You got neutral bar on this side, ground bar on this side. And these this neutral wire and ground wire are bonded outside at the service, which is a meter combo, a 200 amp meter combo. And then this bar that's bolted here and here is actually providing a connection between the neutral and ground bar as well inside, and that would be a code violation. Your neutral and ground should be bonded at the service, which is your 200 amp meter combo on these houses. Maybe you have a 400 amp service or something like that, but wherever your service equipment is, they should be bonded together. And then beyond that point, when you leave with your feeder wires and you have your two hots, neutral and ground, they should be separated from that point on, so that there's no objectionable current flowing on metal parts that you're not going to want flowing on metal parts as the neutral current returns to its source. We want to keep it completely isolated from the ground once you come in, because we're going to start taking the can of the panels and disconnects and all that stuff, and we're bonding it to the ground wire, and we want to keep that isolated from that neutral path back. So I'm Michael Irwin Power. Thanks for watching this video. We're going to get these remedied, and if you see any other critique in this panel, let me know in the comment section below.